Hi, welcome to helpyourmath.com. Today we're going to find the slope and y-intercept for the graph of the equation 6x minus 7y equals 35. When you have something like this, the very first thing you have to think of is the straight line formula, which is y equals mx plus b. The m denotes the slope and the b is the y-intercept. So first of all, to have the equation in this format, you're going to have negative 7y equals, the 7y denotes the y value, which is mx plus b. So now the 6x is the stands for the mx, which is negative 6x plus b, 35. In this format, that's how you have to have it. So now to find y, we have to divide the equation by negative 7, which gives you negative 7 over negative 7 over negative 7, which cancels out and gives you y equals 6 over 7x minus 5. So now we have the equation in the straight line format. So now the 6 over 7 is our slope and the negative 5 is our b. So now to have to write it down, our slope equals 6 over 7. That's the value, that's the x value. So that makes our slope 6 over 7. And our y-intercept has to be written in parentheses. That goes 0 because we don't have the x value, and negative 5 as our y-intercept. So let me give you more details about how we had the negative 6 on the other side of the equation. So now we just have to subtract the 6 on 6x on both sides to leave the 7y open, which gives you 6x minus 6x minus 7y equals 35 minus 6x. So this two cancels out and leaves you with 7y equals 35 minus 6x, which is the same as this. And now to divide the 7y, to find the y value, the y in the straight line format, we have to divide both sides of the equation by negative 7, which gives you negative 7 divided by negative 7 divided by negative 7. And these two negative cancels out, and the 7 cancels out. So 35 divided by negative 7 gives you negative 5, because the negative affects the 35 and the 7, which is y equals negative 5, and the 6 and the negative 6x divided by negative 7. The two negatives cancels out, which leaves you with a positive. So 6 over 7x.